You're about to hear how to use Hinge on absolute expert mode based on my experience figuring this app out inside out and testing a bunch of different approaches. The goal is to be able to find the absolute right women or men, whoever you are, and sort through everybody to laser down exactly who you want, then get their attention, and also be open. I've made a ton of beginner mistakes on Hinge. So let me give you the exact formula I use now, and you can look in previous videos if you want to see the actual Hinge profile. So first, you do need to optimize your profile, but this video assumes you've already done that. So what you need to do on Hinge is think two different ways. First, you need to use deal breakers and roses to get the attention of the people you really want. So that I actually bought 50 roses today for $100 because I'm tired of wasting my time liking profiles and they never even see me. So it's worth it to pay to make sure people actually see you with a rose. A rose gets you to the very top of somebody's likes and guarantees they see you. Now, you get one rose a week included with Hinge X, so you can go slow on this if you want to. If that's like too expensive, my thoughts are maybe you should focus on making some more money or just do something besides dating apps like a matchmaking service or get out there and be social. If you're going to use Hinge X, you need to get a good return on your time. You don't want to dump your time into Hinge and get nothing back. So the way to do that is to use deal breakers to get really laser specific. So for example, what I've done, I put my deal breakers on no drinking, no smoking, no drugs, no like plant medicine or marijuana or whatever. And then I do deal breakers only set to wants kids and like one or two other things. And that way I get a very narrow pool of women that match exactly what I want. The problem with doing that though and leaving it that way is that you can't see the rest of the people and they can't see you. So what I do is I go for a high quality approach first, where I use the deal breakers and I just leave the distance on as far away as I want because my deal breakers are pretty narrow. But you could also use the deal breakers narrow, but I'll explain that in a minute. So you use the deal breakers to get absolutely laser focused on exactly who you want. Then you drop roses on every single profile that you would love for them to match to you. Like I find an attractive woman that wants kids, answers no to all that health, drinking, drug stuff, and I like her profile. I drop a rose and I drop a thoughtful comment. I'm going for a high quality match. Now, even if I miss on 59 of these, if I get one match that actually is super compatible and crazy about me and goes out with me and we get married and have kids, like that's worth it. That's how you got to think with this. So I go through and do that first, and that doesn't take very long because within I went through like everybody who met that criteria in 30 minutes or an hour. And on a daily basis, there's not going to be that many new people. But here's the expert mode trick. In the past, I used to try leaving it like that, but then I would hardly get any matches because hardly anyone would see my profile on Hinge. If you set a deal breaker, people who don't match those can't see your profile at all. What I do after I go out and send all the roses I want to the girls I really am impressed with and I think we're highly compatible, then I go back and turn almost all my deal breakers off immediately. And then I leave it like that most of the time so that women who don't match my deal breakers can still find me and like me. And then if they like me, I'll be a little less picky on their profiles. Another way I also go through the deal breakers is to set it hyper local, like 6, 7, 8, 10 mile radius. Then I have a chance to find people I know locally, but I leave all the rest of the deal breakers off. I go through and then I mostly just drop likes because Hinge X gives you priority likes anyway. But if I see a girl I really am excited about, I'll drop a rose and I'm not worried if I waste 49 of them because if you pay a matchmaking service like Talkify, like I did, like you can see in my Talkify videos, I mean, that's $650 a match. So I don't care about paying $100 to get 50 roses. I care about pissing my time away liking profiles that never get seen. I just talked to the girl yesterday who dated online, and it's very obvious. She gets so many likes, she literally just doesn't see most dudes' profiles. So you got to get up there. So this is how you do it. Lock in your deal breakers, make sure the women or the men you really want to see you, then open up and broaden and just let that sit there. Then what I do, maybe once every few days, I lock the deal breakers down real quick, see if there's anybody that's perfect, then back them off again. This way, I'm not wasting my time on Hinge and I make sure I'm more open to all the opportunities that are available. If you enjoyed this, watch the rest of my Jerry Banfield dating playlist in the description and schedule a call at jerrybanfield.com.